Alright, so I actually accidentally came across these estates yesterday when trying to check into an Airbnb. I went the wrong way. Google Map, well, that's a long story. It was a similar address. Walked past these and yeah, not seen any places like this before in Barcelona. Very run down. Not sure of the story here. I'm just gonna see what happens. I'm a bit nervous. You know, I know a lot of the people that live here look Romanian, or maybe it's just a different part of Spanish people, you know. Let's go through here. Fucking dodgy. Yeah, it feels like squats. Yeah, I'm gonna go in and out quick. Don't know what to make of it. Definitely a different side to Barcelona that I'm used to. I don't want to piss people off. It's probably thinking, why is this twat filming? I mean, yeah, it's just interesting footage for me, but yeah, might be an insult to them. There's a market there, I'm not going to go there. Got enough market footage. I'm just going to cut through here. Might as well get one passageway. Fucking hell. Look up. I'm going to have to beat my swear words. Do I just say the F word? Well, yeah, a little glimpse into some very poor neighbourhood of Barcelona. Poorest I've seen. Not far from Badalona, which is like a nice holiday area. Crazy. When you're a different country in a dodgy estate like this, you're not quite sure what the deal is. I find when I talk, it ironically makes me look less suspicious instead of walking around with a camera. They're probably like, oh, look at this wannabe vlogger. Yeah, you can ignore what I'm saying, I'm just rabbiting on. I'll cut there.